Welcome to Mastering Business Architecture course. Now, I'm super happy to announce that this is live and online. It will be happening in November. And the idea with this is to have an absolutely practical course. You will be working through 3 key stages, which is ensuring that you have a business architecture knowledge base. Then we'll look at strategy and really understand, what does strategy to execution actually mean? And then we'll look at initiatives and requirements. And so you will be getting the end-to-end process of this entire part. And the reason why I did this course was because I wanted you to have a practical application. So what we'll be doing is we'll be taking a case study, and learners have the option to either create their own business architecture knowledge base. And this implies that you will be working with some AI and some AI components. Of course, I will take you through a sample and a case study end to end. So you can choose to use my case study, or you can use to create something for your own business. And I think that's super exciting, because at the end of the 10 days, you should be able to present an actual working architecture, whether it's your fictional case or my fictional case. Although we're going to use AI to help accelerate the process with the appropriate prompts, with a clear structure of what you need to gather, when you need to gather it, and how do you validate that, you don't have to use AI necessarily in order to build this. You can take some tips from it and use it in AI in the future. So this course, it's going to be you and I for 10 days working through various aspects. I've divided it into those 3 steps, as I mentioned, so we'll do week by week. And the idea is that you can start your new year as a working, operating business architect. So who should attend this course? I've really, over the last 7 years of building courses, what I find most exciting about this course is giving that end-to-end journey around what you need to do to deliver 2 initiatives and projects based on really understanding strategy and understanding the business purpose and the business objectives. For business architects, what you will learn is you'll learn how to convert your business architecture knowledge base into requirements, and how to do that effectively. And so I'll provide you with a really relevant structure and how the data that you're generating can be used in projects. And then if you're a business analyst or a project manager, you'll find this really helpful, because we'll take our requirements a step up and really see if we meet in strategy and looking at our architecture in order to deliver to the business. So are we going on the right track? Are we focusing on the right things? Are we asking the right questions? So whether you're a BA, an enterprise architect, a solution architect, a project manager, or a business architect, I'm here to show you how to do it, and we'll work together within the group. You'll obviously also work with your peers and help critique and question and manage. So it's a great way of networking and really learning from each other as well. I do want to also add that we will be working via Teams. So you will have the normal resources you have in Teams. Now, if you don't have Teams, it's good to reach out, but you can use a guest account. So that's not really a huge problem. But you want to get the most out of using a Teams app, because you can use it anywhere really. You can store your information, you can access it, and you can communicate with the rest of the group. There are limited numbers. I'm not going to be taking in too many people, so we'll limit it to about 20 or 25 depending on the group. But really the idea is that I will be working with you to get this right. I've been boots on the ground for many years, and I understand the challenges in projects. I understand that they don't always deliver on time, that requirements fail, that directions aren't clear, that we just are trying. So we'll cover many aspects from improving just on the operational level, and also looking at things like digital transformation and digital enhancement, which are two separate things. So I look forward to seeing you in this course. Do reach out. As I mentioned, there are limited numbers. I'm really happy to be working directly with a group and going live. So I look forward to seeing you in November.